And they turned out pretty good.
He shredded it.
He shredded it and just left it up. Happy try again. Happy Sunday. It is a Sunday reset. Okay, I'm gonna give them a second to clear. I just stood up and suddenly I was like hiccuping nonstop and then hiccups. Here we go. Welcome to Sunday. We are in the fourth Sunday of December, which is so crazy. It's the 22nd, and I think today, amongst reset things, is also going to be a little bit of cooking, a little bit of baking. I think I'm gonna cook up some fried rice and bake more cookies. All right, let's see if a time lapse of some chores plus making a little bit of breakfast clears that. Oh, it's so crazy. It's just pouring rain again. Banana bread as well. Ding. Stepping off strong. Can't get this into the outlet. Sometimes it's really hard to plug some things in and I don't know why. It's because one of the things is bigger.
Am I plugging it in anywhere in particular?
No, so like, but because you see this one's bigger.
Yeah.
So it struggles to get in. So I think you need to like it over. It needs to be on that one, but like I'm just too scared to push that hard.
You gonna do a different outlet?
I've tried a couple. It's like, you just need to push really hard. Like I've done it before, but it's just kind of like, I feel like I'm gonna break the outlet. Oh, well that's disappointing because I can't return this anymore. Ooh. All right, I guess I'll just whisk. Okay, 70 minutes. 40 minutes. Clean up time, clean up time. Okay, I'm gonna do another small batch of these to make sure that they're good and I don't just ruin an entire slate of cookie dough. The background noise in the hockey game is so loud. It's not as bad as last time at this stage.
Can you pass me the keys, please?
The what?
The keys.
Going in for 9 minutes exactly to get ooey and gooey. Here's what we got left. I did make some balls originally and then put them back into the fridge, and that's what's on the tray. So hopefully I'll see how that goes, because originally I was just taking them out, rolling them and putting them onto the tray after they'd been in the fridge. So we'll see if the circle in the fridge makes a difference. Maybe slightly underdone. Tommy's had one though, and it was good. So this one we're gonna try a different amount of time. And they turned out pretty good. I still think they maybe could have gone in a bit longer to end up darker, but I don't want them to be crunchy by accident, so we let them rest and then they'll end up being good. Last batch is in. I was gonna try and go bigger, but then I just did the exact same thing. Oh yeah. It's the right amount of gooey, I get what you mean. I put a lot of chocolate in these. Ah, that didn't work. Yee, good boy. Did he eat it, or did you have to put it in the milk?
I shoveled that to his mouth. No.
Okay. He wants to.
He better not. He did!
Let me see! Let me see! She gave him a carrot he didn't want. Let me see it, let me see it.
He shredded it.
He shredded it and just left it up. Just like me, we don't like carrots. Lazy Sunday. I'm very tired after my long catch up with the fam. It's 7:30 and I feel like I could actually fall asleep. I'm gonna try and carry myself until 9 and then fall asleep so that I can wake up at 6:30 a.m. Well, 5:45 a.m. to go to 6:30 spin class.